We are monitoring a weather impact alert, so let's turn things over first to meteorologist Melissa Nort with more on what we might expect.
Yeah, Jonathan, and new this afternoon, a few extra counties have been added to that winter storm watch. This now goes another tier of counties further south, including Heard and Meriwether counties, and also Spalding County there and down to Putnam. So tracking more counties in that winter storm watch as we track a Friday winter storm into North Georgia. What are we expecting? Well, to the north of the city, accumulating snow, several inches possible, but in the Atlanta metro area, it's not a straight snow event. We are going to see a whole mix of types of wintry weather with snow, sleet, freezing rain, and even just some rain. And all of these are going to mean that there will be travel impacts, likely many closures and delays on the way for Friday. Now, what to expect based on where you are. In the North Georgia mountains, we still feel like it is mostly a snow event. Models this afternoon have been bringing in a little bit more of that warm air, so we may end up seeing more of that mixing creeping northward. But in the metro area, I-20 points north, we still expect to start with the snow first thing in the morning, then transition into a wintry mix with some sleet, maybe some freezing rain, mixed with some snow in the afternoon. And to the south, not a lot in the way of just snow, but starting with a wintry mix in the morning and transitioning gradually to rain later in the day. So with that being said, this is our second call for snowfall. This is not how things are going to shape up when it comes to Friday morning. There's going to be more nuances in the models we see in the next 24 hours before the event starts. But North Georgia mountains, generally 3 to 6 inches of snow plus sleet that goes all the way down to about Lake Lanier. Inside the perimeter, right around the inner metro, 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet plus about 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain on top of that. Then to the south of I-20, less than an inch with up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Forecast track, when does it arrive? Friday morning between 6 and 9 o'clock. You can see the snow moving into the north, and here's that wintry mix right along the I-20 corridor there and lasting through the afternoon and evening. We'll go through the rest of this forecast track hour by hour. Also talk more about impacts coming up in just a bit. John.